Well, as parents, we always want the best for our children, right? We want the perfect education. We want them to have the right friends and learn the right things. But that's really a hindrance to our children because we put our values, our attitudes onto them saying that this is the way I want you to grow up. But in true essence, the children know what they need to do. And what we think is the best for our child may not be so. What is really best for the child is for us as parents to let go, to let go and then allow the divinity to speak to yourself and to the child so they can find their own path, their own journeys. And it's a hard thing, because we as parents feel like, oh, if my child doesn't do this, I failed, and then you have this sense of guilt, right? But really, it's simply a matter of cleaning those thought forms. Yeah, making an appeal and say, and a lot of times the best thing is to talk to your children at night, right? Because at night, the conscious mind goes to sleep, and then the uninhibited is 24/7, right? So simply talking to your children at night, thank you, I love you, it's wonderful. And can I share you an example about this boy who stuttered? Right? There was a little boy who was 5 years old and he stuttered, right? So we as therapists would come up with a treatment plan and this is what you do, this is the technique you should use to get him to stop stuttering, right? So I clean what I need to do, and I still have to do what I have to do in school, right? But this father on the side had asked me, and he said, I took him to many very different therapists, and he said, it all doesn't work. He said, what should I do? Yeah. So I just said, well, why don't you just talk to your son at night to say, thank you, I love you, right? And so he said, okay. So within a month later, he came back to me and he said, my son stopped stuttering. So I said, okay, thank you very much. Very simple, So just the simply of saying thank you, I love you, simple cleaning words is, you're allowing to release whatever those hang-ups we have about our children to be set free, right? And then sometimes as parents, we hang on to, we can't let our child go because they're going to go down the wrong path. But that's what we should clean. We should be cleaning that we have this fear of our children not doing the right thing, So if we really want your children to be set free, you just have to clean self.